Scope in Botany. A career in botany, courses, jobs and salary. Those students studying plants or botany can pursue their career as biological scientists or botanists, also will be called plant scientists or phytologists, after completing their degree in botany. Botany basically deals with the structure, physiology, metabolism, genetics, evolution, classification, and reproduction of plants. The main focus of the students will be on learning about the small bacteria to giant trees. Botany is about the fundamentals of how plants help in sustaining lives. A botany expert works for a clean energy economy for the better survival of the generations. Botany illuminates one of the most attractive, most useful, and extensive departments of human knowledge. A career as a botanist is interesting for all who take interest in gardening. Botany can offer multiple career options to willing candidates. Students pursuing botany as a career can opt for educational institutions, private or public sector companies in biotechnology, agriculture or forestry, environmental protection, drugs, genetics research, and food industries as career options. Also, students can make a career for themselves outside the nation. Ecologists, foresters, chemical biologists, taxonomists, etc. being their career options. Those having an interest in mathematics have options in fields like plant genetics, biophysics, developmental botany or system ecology. At the same time, a student with a chemistry knowledge will have options like being a molecular biologist, plant physiologist or plant biochemist. Latest research has created many new and powerful equipments in technology and molecular biology, which has indeed helped in fighting the climate change challenges like drastic increase in air and water pollution in recent times. This also leads to great career opportunities for students, jobs dealing with electron microscopes, digital imaging analysis, radioisotopes, cell and tissue culture, etc. Weed scientist, taxonomist, researcher, conservationist, plant physiologist, ecologist, plant geneticists, a plant biochemist, paleobotanist, etc., are the other job opportunities for students willing to make their career in botany. There are multiple career options for students after completing their degree in botany. 1. Public and private sectors offer various jobs for botany graduates every year. 2. Students can work in private and public sectors as technical assistants, field assistants or scientific assistants in both the private and government sectors. 3. Other than these, the students can also look forward to work with nursery farms and environmental consultancies. Candidates willing to have a career based on their knowledge and learn in botany will also be required to possess the ability to follow research activity along with a good writing communication. They should possess interest in conservation and in plant life. The candidate must be persistent. There is a wide range of courses, along with postgraduate and PhD courses, offered under the branch of botany across various institutes and universities, for aspiring botanists. Other than the common botany course, there are various high-value specialization courses available for students in botany. As per their preference and interests, the students can choose from the below-listed specialization courses: agronomy, economic botany and weed science, forestry, paleobotany, phycology, phytopathology, plant genetics, plant ecology, plant systematics, plant taxonomy. Salary offered to a botanist. Other than exploring the world of botany, the jobs will also help the candidates to have a handsome salary. The salary for the botanists will vary from role to role and industry to industry. An average pay scale for a botanist being an agriculturist, ecologist, florist, researcher, taxonomist, plant biochemist, plant physiologist, plant biochemist, conservationist, plant geneticist, morphologist, fruit grower, cytologist, for example, ranges between starting salary above 360,000 rupees per annum and high-level salary of 600,000 rupees per annum depending upon the field of a botanist. Scope of BSc degree in botany. After completing a BSc degree in botany, the candidates can make their career as plant explorer, conservationist, ecologist, environment consultant, horticulturist, plant biochemist, nursery manager, genetics, molecular biologist, taxonomist, plant pathologist, environmental consultant and farming consultant. Scope of BSc Honors degree in botany. After completing BSc Hons degree in botany, the candidates can make their career as botanist, biological technician, conservationist, ecologist, environment consultant, ethnobotanist, farming consultant, florist, forester, forest ranger, geneticist, horticulturist, molecular biologist, mycologist, nursery manager, paleobotanist, plant biochemist, etc. The difference between a regular course and an honors degree. Answer. The main difference between a regular or general degree and honors degree is that the former is a multidisciplinary approach, whereas later one deals with specialization in one major subject. An honors degree will have a standardized curriculum, whereas a general degree is considered to be regular and common. As compared to an honors degree, passing a general degree is easier. To qualify an honors degree, the candidates will be required to qualify subject-centric papers. The best course to opt for after completing BSc in botany. After completing BSc in botany, the students can opt for MSc in biotechnology. As this course will deal with the application and technology in living organisms. Whereas, MSc in botany will also help in learning the core concepts of the subject. Learn thoroughly about the depths of the plant kingdom, to have a clear picture of the importance of the reign of plants in this world. Such knowledge will help us in our survival. Thanks for watching. For further study, please click the subscribe button.